The government has delivered a stinging blow to the common man, hiking railway fares across board, burdening a people struggling under inflationary pressure. This will be the first hike in a decade and will come into effect from 21st January midnight. The railway minister has hiked fares in the name of reform and sprucing infrastructure. This is a stealth move by the railway minister to hike fares before the budget. But will anything change on the ground? The infrastructure and facilities are still dilapidated and there has been little change despite allocation of funds to the railways. While the railway ministry says general and sleeper fares have been left untouched for 10 years despite rise in running costs, the railways have so far failed to modernize infrastructure despite budgetary allocations.
Therefore, there will be a substantial increase in the passenger fare, at least at the lower ground. And in our country, large number of people, millions of people, they travel and they are working people and they are not very well to do. Naturally, their expenses will be affected. It is not yet clear that whether it will also affect the daily passengers. But at the same time, we think that this situation has been worsened by the handling of the Trinamool Congress of the Railway Ministry during this period, where I think there has been a major erosion of the railway finances due to their absolutely irresponsible. Therefore, that aspect also has to be taken into account. But nevertheless, I mean, there could be other ways of mobilizing resources other than putting this burden on the people.
Say that hike was unavoidable because
The situation was worsened. I mean, the government got some justification. At least they will use this justification of railway finances, which in the first place was because of their own government and the TMC, which was part of the ruling coalition. Now, that responsibility should not be put on the shoulders of the common people.
what left intend to do now?
We will protest.
All right, politics aside, but it's the common man, the middle class, that's going to get affected by this passenger fare hike. So our correspondent Rohit Singh caught up with some people outside the Patna railway station to ask the common man how they are reacting to this raised fares.
Finally, after 10 years, there has been an increase in railway fares, but this increase in railway fares has come at a time when the Aam Aadmi, when the common man is already reeling under tremendous pressure of inflation and price rise. Let's get a couple of voices from Patna as to what do the people think about this price hike. ये बताइए, रेलवे के किरायों में 2 पैसे से लेकर 10 पैसे तक की बढ़ोतरी हुई है, ठीक है?
जी, बढ़ोतरी आवश्यक थी क्योंकि सभी चीजों के दाम बढ़ गए थे, मेंटेनेंस में खर्च है, डीजल के दाम बढ़ गए हैं, महंगाई चारों तरफ बढ़ गई है, तो जरूरी था, बढ़ना जरूरी था। जी,
आपको क्या लग रहा है पिछले 10 सालों में जो बढ़ोतरी नहीं हुई थी उससे मेंटेनेंस कमी हुई थी, किसी तरह फैसिलिटी या
कुछ कमी दिख रही थी, काफी कमियां दिख रही थी।
आप बताइए, आपको क्या लगता है?
अच्छा लगता है ना, होना चाहिए। सरकारी संस्था का मतलब ये नहीं कि इसको हम डुबा दें। भाड़ा क्या 500 पहले बढ़ना चाहिए था। अब इसको हमको भी चलाना है, देश को भी चलाना है, इसको भी देखना है। इसके साथ 2 रुपये बड़ा अच्छा हुआ।
आप लोग क्या चाहते हैं? पढ़ाया, लेकिन अब आपको फैसिलिटी भी
फैसिलिटी में मिलना चाहिए, हर तरह का फैसिलिटी होना चाहिए रेलवे में, हर तरह की सुरक्षा से लेकर खाने पीने का, हर तरह के सामान हम लोग सही टाइम से मिले, इसके लिए कोई नहीं विरोध कर सकता है।
Right, so people in Patna are not really protesting. They are happy that finally after 10 years there has been an increase in railway fare because they believe that a lot of money needs to be spent on the maintenance of railway, and just because there has been no increase in railway fares the past 10 years, they were getting less facilities. But now that railway prices have been increased, people here are not very angry. They are not protesting, and but now they want that they should get better facilities and services. With camera person Deepak Kumar, this is Rohit Singh in Patna for Headlines Today.
All right, people in Patna taking that decision in a very mature fashion, saying that it was the need of the hour and therefore the government is not wrong in hiking fares. But is that the sentiment across the country? Let's now connect with our correspondents Amir Haq from Lucknow and Priyamvada from Chennai. Amir, what are people in Lucknow saying?
Well, there are different opinions among people as far as the hike in fares is concerned, because there are people who say they are already reeling under heavy inflation and price rise as far as other commodities are concerned. But as far as railway fares is concerned, some of these people also come down to saying that it's all right. Over the last 10 years there has been no hike in railway fares, so it's all right if there's a this much raise in the railway price of railway tickets. But as far as the promise of railway minister is concerned, he should, if he really promises that there'll be more facilities for the travelers here, he should actually see to it that such facilities are provided. We'll talk to the travelers here whether what they think about the rise in prices. आपको क्या लगता है कि जितना किराया बढ़ा है बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, और अगर फैसिलिटीज मिल जाती हैं तो क्या बेहतर है?
हाँ, बिल्कुल बेहतर है। अगर किराया बढ़ा हुआ है लेकिन उस हिसाब से हम लोग को सुविधाएं मिलें तो उसमें देने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी। लेकिन जो प्रॉब्लम हम लोग झेल रहे हैं महंगाई को लेकर के, इसको देखते हुए अगर सरकार किराया बढ़ा भी रही है तो उतनी सुविधाएं हम लोग को दे ताकि हम लोग को उसको देने में भी कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो।
आपको क्या लगता है अभी तक इससे पहले जितने किराए बढ़े हैं, क्या उतनी फैसिलिटीज जितना प्रॉमिस करती है रेलवेज क्या दे पाती है इससे पहले?
क्या सर, मतलब
अभी तक जितने किराए जितनी बार बढ़े हैं, क्या जितनी फैसिलिटीज प्रॉमिस की गई हैं क्या उतनी दे पाई है रेलवेज?
नहीं सर, बराबर रेलवे दी है सर, फैकल्टी सर बराबर मिला है सर।
Well, so there are different opinions, as I said. There are people who detest the rise in price of railway tickets, and there are others who say that it's all right for them if the prices are raised, but they should be commensurate with the kind of facilities that railways provides.
Absolutely. So we are seeing a similar sentiment emerging from Lucknow as well, considering the fact that fares were not hiked for the past 10 years. People are taking this more graciously, but a better example of it might come out when they see the chunk of amount that will be going up per ticket. Let me get a word in here from Priyamvada. Priyamvada, a lot of people, as even Amir was speaking there, are skeptical about the kind of facilities that will perhaps be provided as promised. Is that what people in Chennai also feel, that it's okay if they get the facilities?
Definitely. The main question here is about the facility and the safety. We have seen train accidents. Even recently there was an accident in Nellore. But more importantly, the people haven't calculated the amount that they are going to be spending. For instance, we just calculated from Chennai to Delhi, Rajdhani Express, in the sleeper class itself, there is going to be a hike of 200 rupees. That's definitely a pinch in the pocket. That's definitely a hole in the pocket. People are not going to be happy with that. When we calculate for per kilometers, even for suburban trains here in Chennai, we have calculated at least in a month they will have to shell out 20 to 30 rupees extra. As such, in Tamil Nadu, bus fares are very heavy. So definitely the price hike in train is also going to be difficulty. What do you think? Do you think that it's okay if you increase the price but give us facilities? Is that what you're saying, or what do you think of this announcement?
Yes, ma'am, you are correct, ma'am. The fares of train are going to increase. So these are very wrong, because see, nobody is belonging from high family. There are many belonging from middle class families also. So like we are students, we are coming from far away from home, and we are studying here, ma'am. So we can't bear that much amount of money.
Correct.
So
Yeah. So that's definitely. आपको क्या लगता है, अगर फैसिलिटीज दिया जाए तो ये दाम बढ़ सकता है?
बढ़ सकता है।
तो आपको कैसा लगेगा? आप सब स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम होगा अभी ये दाम बढ़ने से?
बढ़ने से दिक्कत होगा जाने में।
Absolutely. Thank you. See, as you can see, there are students. Lot of students commute. They are away from home. Lot of them staying in hostel. They use suburban trains. Lot of problems because of this fare hike.
Absolutely, Priyamvada, and you're very right in saying that when people calculate the actual amount per ticket is when they will realize what this hike really means to them. At the moment, they're just looking at the hike per kilometer, which to them perhaps may not look too much, because it ranges from 2 paise to 10 paise per kilometer. Let's now go across to Manoj Sharma, correspondent, who's been speaking with people outside the New Delhi railway station. Let's listen in to some of their views.
Government has decided to increase railway fares by a whopping 20% at one go. They say it's 20%, but it has been done after 10 years. Please tell me if you agree with government's argument that this has been done after 10 years, but don't you think this 20% fare hike is a bit too much?
No, I don't think that it is too much, but there must be the increment of quality. There must be quality improvement in the railway infrastructure. But I think the rate has been improved whatever by the government, that is appropriate.
So, just before budget, this has been announced. Do you think this timing is appropriate for this decision?
No comment.
So, people think that if the facilities are increased, then probably this hike is justified. If you have a look at the stations and the facilities around, they have hardly improved in past few years, but at the same time the fare was also not increased for past 10 years, and now that this hike has been announced, people expect that facilities at the stations, the cleanliness at the stations is going to improve, the safety, security, all these arrangements would be made better, and the facilities would be made passenger friendly and would be available to most of the passengers in most of the stations. The biggest worry is that this money which is being collected after this fare hike, if this is not spent judiciously, then it will lead railway to nowhere, and probably then the government will have to answer why this price hike.